next day. Got this thing parked out at the house. When me and Mucho was test driving it, we couldn't get out of third gear because trans cooler's busted. I would like to put this engine and transmission into one of these short beds, either the white one or the red one. But the engine and the transmission. So I definitely don't want to go through all that work if the transmission is, you know, not worth putting in, if it's busted up or not shifting out. And I definitely not gonna sell it to somebody, you know, a piece of junk, basically. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna take this off and bypass it. I feel like if I bypass it, I can at least take it for a good test drive, take it up and down the road, and see if it'll shift out on this little stretch. I don't want to take it too far. I'm gonna attempt to maybe get this bumper off, get some of the stuff out the way, and remove that. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I got Bray out here with me. It's a nice day outside, not too hot. I got this one off, but this one is the one that was broke. That's why it's leaking. So I'm just gonna use this little tool I've had for some years, because I don't really feel like fighting with that little clip in there, so I'm just gonna cut it. Get me a hose that I probably got in the shed, go from there to there, fill it back up with transmission fluid, then I can probably take it for a test drive. So we'll see. This thing is, I think they call it a tube cutter, I guess. It's probably some old school shit, I don't know. They probably got some new shit these days. Once you tighten it, and you go around and around.
And it's just supposed to like cut it?
It's gonna cut it right off. Some old school shit, probably. They probably got some.
Like a pizza cutter.
They probably got some, you know, rich man stuff.
Got a saw blade.
They probably got some rich man stuff for sale these days, but this will get the job done.
Old fashioned.
Gotta tighten it every so often. Keep going. Bling blamo.
That was easy.
So, find me some hose.
Perfectly.
Yeah, find me some hose. I don't know if I'll be able to get over that lip. I might need to cut that one too. What you think? That lip might be hard to get over. Let me cut that one too. So we're gonna tighten it up. Same way. And we're gonna go around and around. I bought Mucho a grill while I was in Augusta. Pretty nice. He wanna go Chevy.
To Augusta for?
Had to drop some parts off. Bingo.
Oh,
We should be able to get some hose out the shed. I hope I got some.
Perfect cut.
Yeah. Tap that to that. We should be able to fill it up with transmission fluid and then take it for a test drive and test out the gears. So we'll go find us some hose, see if we got some in the shed, and we'll get that a shot. I could have left that lip on there because this hose is pretty big, but we should be okay. This little bitty clamp should tighten it down. Had some old hose in the shed. Tighten it tight as it get. Should be fine. And this stuff shouldn't be getting hot because I really don't know what hose this is, to be honest with you. I don't remember what it came off of. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put one right here. Push it down as far as it goes.
I want to be in it.
You want to be in it?
Oh, what it was. I can really.
I think this might work, buddy.
Yeah.
So you see what this is doing? It's bypassing this busted cooler right here. So that fluid should come in here and go back in there. And we should be able to drive it. All right, we're gonna I'm gonna go get the key, fill it up with fluid, and run it right here and see if it'll run without spewing out. Put a little fluid in it. I don't want to waste no fluid. So I just want to see if I can get a reading. Second part, engine item. That's it. Looks like it got some in it. We'll take a look and see that. Let's see how that do. Back it up. See what it do. Up the side, huh?
Yeah.
It looked like it might be enough in there to get a good reading. So drop some of this shit. Back up. Alright, go see what it do. Hop in.
Alright.
Hey, Les got a little power, boy.
Imagine it's 12.
Still doing it.
Dang it.
And third gear. Third gear seems to be acting up. Yeah, it looks like it may still have a problem. So we'll have a decision to make then. Definitely not gonna throw it right in the truck. You know, this is gonna be a daily driver, so might take it to Wesley and get a little rebuild on it or whatever, you know. And then put it in there for a daily driver. No need to get a 4L80 or nothing for a daily driver. You know, whatever truck gets to 6.0, that's gonna get a 4L80 for sure.
Ooh. Pushing it too hard.
That's the coolant.
Oh, did it burst?
It's already busted, see it right here?
Daddy, do I need to grab water?
No, it's all good.
Ooh, stinky.
Well, we got our chest done. This worked. Look,
Yeah, it didn't
That'll
spray
work.
everywhere.
didn't spray everywhere, so that worked. All right, now we know. We gave it a shot. Transmission might not be good, but you know, we're still gonna make some money off this thing, so. No, we out here mixing up these concoctions again. Got the Totally Awesome, got the Dawn, mixing it up. Spray this engine down a little bit. Show you how it looks. It's fairly clean. Whoever had it took good care of it. That's a clean engine. 200,000 miles exactly. Yes, sir. That's a clean engine. Hot water too. Got hot water coming out the faucet at the back. This engine clean, man. This engine is real clean. All right, hold on. That's it. Before we even cleaned it, it was clean as hell. I'm excited about this. I think this was a well taken care of truck. Very, very, very clean. So, excited about this. That's what I was telling y'all in the last video. I didn't want to give it away though. We got, bought a donor vehicle, so. Orange truck already has a 5.3. We got the white truck and we got the new red truck. And now we got 2 LS donor engines. So we got a 6.0 and we got a 5.3. So just got to figure out which one's gonna go in which. Once we do that, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to give y'all updated the new donor vehicle we picked up. Came across it on a whim, so it kind of fell in our laps, man. Everything has been going fairly well lately, man. I can't complain. Everything's been going just great. We're gonna take our time and get it done right. We'll check back with y'all when we get some more footage. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll holler at y'all.